after the cup of coffee. So I'll start with a brief introduction of myself. I'm Himangi. I'm from Microsoft. I have software engineering background, so I've done my undergraduate in computer science, and then after a brief stint as a software developer, I did my MBA from NMIMS Mumbai, and I'm currently working in Microsoft. So I'll start with what Anand told us in the morning session, just to have a quick recall of what all points he spoke. So the first thing he spoke about was architects are looking for some sources of knowledge, or we all of us are looking for some sources where we can get to know about the latest technologies. So I think knowing about the latest technologies or the knowledge part of it is what we are all today here for. The second thing Anand spoke about was collaboration. So having a community or a portal or any initiative where people can come, where all of us can go and interact with fellow architects, not only in Bangalore, not only in India, but around the world. That is our second motto. So second thing is collaboration. The third thing we haven't spoken about, but what Microsoft thinks is important, is having a portal or an initiative where architects all around the world can go and interact with Microsoft. You guys can come and interact with us and tell us what do you think about our technologies or any other competitive technologies. So the second thing which we think is important is feedback, or as we say it, reach out to us. So in order to meet all these three objectives, Microsoft has recently started this initiative called MAPA. It's Microsoft Association of Practicing Architects. So though it has in name Practicing Architects, but we do not only solely look out for architects, we also look out for people who are aspiring architects or who are developers. So this initiative MAPA is basically an association or a community where architects or aspiring architects or developers can go onto the portal and interact with people all around the world, interact with architects all around the world. Also, it's an initiative where you guys or all of us can go and learn about the latest technology. So we provide trainings free of cost. So the first thing is that the registration is free of cost. The second thing is that the trainings are free of cost. And the third thing, which is very important, is that you can reach out to us. You can write back to us, give your feedback about the portal, about our technologies. If you're working on some solution in your respective industry, and probably although we all of us are very very experienced people out here, but because of the constant changes in technologies, we need to keep ourselves updated. And it may so happen that we are not fully sure of what we are working on, or we may need some kind of help. So in that case, you can always reach out to us, reach back to Microsoft, talk with the experts in Microsoft, which will help you build solutions on Microsoft technologies. So that is our motto. So for that, the portal is themapa.com. This is the portal, themapa.com. You can always go there, visit the website, register on it, look out for our trainings. We always have these upcoming events which are organized either live or online. You can look out for those events. You can reach back to us, engage in the portal community, and apart from that, you can always write back to me. You can write back to me on t-hemas at I'm sorry for the writing. t-hemas at microsoft.com. So that is my email ID. So I request you all to go onto the portal, see what all about it is, register on it, give your feedback, write back to me, what do you think about the portal, because this initiative is just a very recent initiative. It was launched in December last year, and in the past 4 months we have around 8,000 plus registrations on the portal, out of which 2,000 are people who are not working on Microsoft technologies. So these are people who are working on either Amazon Web Services or Google services. I'll just give a brief intro of what technologies we are working on. We are mainly focused on Microsoft SEO, the cloud services. We are focused on business intelligence, Power BI, Office 365, and apart from that, Hyper-V. And it also includes Dynamics, our ERP services, Microsoft ERP services. So I request you all again to go to the portal and see what all it is about, and write back to me. Give your feedback either on the portal or to me, and let us know what you think about it. Thank you.